So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be looking at the ICT breaker block. Okay, we've been talking about the other block for quite a while now, but there is another concept that ICT usually teaches, which I'll be teaching and showing us how to make use of the breaker block today. Okay, the breaker block is actually one of the powerful concepts outside the other block that we can use to take a trade for ourselves in the market. Okay, so I was able to spot this entry using the breaker block concept. Okay, and remember, whenever we talk about the order block, our order block is simply the last candle, either the buy or sell candle before a sell or a buy. Okay, so in this particular market here, you will notice that this is like the last sell candle, or if you want to call it the last red candle before the buy started going up. Okay, before market started pushing price upward. Okay, so the same is true also for this last buy candle here before market started selling down. Okay, so this is what we call order block. Okay, but there's another concept called the breaker block, and whenever we want to spot an entry, we can either make use of the order block or the breaker block. Okay, so here you can see that we are able to place a trade here making use of this particular breaker block candle here. Okay, so you can see that what actually happened was that market has broken below and taking out this particular candlestick. Okay, so this particular candlestick is referred to as a breaker block. Okay, because market has to take it out before we can get to see like a retracement back to that same breaker block level. Okay, so most time price might not get to our order block, as in this case here, as you can see, but you will notice that this particular wick is still inside of this particular breaker block candle. Okay, and that is why you notice that price is retracing back to this same level. Okay, remember in our previous video we said that whenever we want to make use of our concepts and we see this particular long spike candle, it means that market is trying to make a retracement. Okay, if you notice, you will see that market has been selling for a while. Okay, and then this particular long buy candle just came and back to the same level. This particular candle is a retracement candle. Okay, now before we make use of this breaker block, definitely we want to look out first of all for market moving from a buy to a sell. Okay, because if you notice, you notice that market has been buying for a while now. Okay, you can see the particular buy candles and the buy market here. You notice the market has been buying. Okay, so before we decide to join for this particular sell market, definitely the first thing we want to see is our change of character. Okay, so if you look to the left at this particular place, you notice that we actually had a change of character at this particular low here. Okay, so this was where our change of character took place. So we are just going to draw a line here. Okay, so after a change of character, whenever market makes a change of character, the next thing we want to watch out for whenever there's a change of character is a return back to order block. Okay, so whenever there is a change of character here, which is the first thing we want to look out for, the next thing we want to look out for is a return to order block. Okay, and then when our return to order block has been tapped into, then what we want to look out for is our breaker block. Okay, we want to look for our breaker block. So we've been able to identify our change of character, which is at this particular low here. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we'll be able to see our change of character closely. Okay, so this particular level here was where we had our change of character. Okay, but if you decide to want to make use of an early change of character, you can do that on the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, we'll be able to spot an earlier change of character, and that is why you notice that we have like an early change of character somewhere around here. Okay, so this just suggests to us that market has been able to move from a buy to a sell now, and that is why we see that market kept on selling, because market has changed its character. Okay, but we are just going to stick to the 4 hour change of character, because the higher the time frame, the better for us, and the stronger the level for us to take our entry. Okay, so after we'll be able to spot this particular change of character here on the 4 hour time frame, what we want to do now is to identify our order block. Okay, remember our order block will be this particular candle here, which is our last buy candle before the sell. So we are just going to highlight that, and we are going to see how price is going to respect that candle. Okay, so if we highlight that, we want to see price coming back to that same candle after a while. Okay, and then we can see that market actually came back to that same order block. Okay, and that is why we can see market tapping back to that order block and reversing from it. So we've been able to spot remember our change of character, and then the next thing we're able to spot is our return to order block, which is at this level. And now the third thing will be our breaker block. Okay, so immediately we notice our breaker block, which is at this particular um level here. Remember, this our breaker block here. Okay, so what we want to see is for price to tap into our order block and take out this particular candlestick. Okay, after that has been achieved, what we want to do now is to wait for a retracement. Okay, and that is why we can see that price actually retraced back to this same level here. Okay, and that is why we are able to take a sell. Okay, so guys, definitely we expect this trade to play out, and if you check very well, you will notice that risk to reward ratio is just like 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so for every $1 that we want to risk in this market, we'll be making just like a $6. So it's a good risk to reward ratio, guys. So I believe, guys, we've been able to know how to make use of this breaker block concept. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this concept, you can leave in the comment description of this video. Okay, and do not forget to share this video to your friends, and click on the share button so that other traders can get where to see this breaker block concept strategy. And also do not forget to like and share this video. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. Definitely I'll see you in my next trading video. So cheers guys, and see you in my next trading video.